Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2016 Yamaha MT-09 Tracer. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and have a close look at this Yamaha. It is HPI clear. It does come with a spare key in the pack. And what we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike for you so you can get a good look at the condition. This is in a dark metallic blue and grey. It's got the matte finish on the mudguard on the front, gloss finish on the rest of it. It does have ABS brakes on this. Got the handguards on there as well. So as you look at this here now, you can see the tank is the grey colour, with the rest of it, the plastic's in blue. So let's get a look at the engine from this side. Let's get a look low down. This also has a centre stand as well as a main stand. Let's get a look at the chain and sprocket and the back wheel. Get a look at the plastics on this side and the rear shock. And this has got a Givy luggage carrier on it, but no box with it. So if you wanted to get a box, that will go straight on. It's also got the racks for the panniers as well on the side. So let's get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. And everything looking good there. So let's get a look at it from the back. And we'll move round to the right hand side. Let's get a look in at this back wheel and get a look at the back brake. Let's have a look at the exhaust. All standard on this, nothing modified. Let's get a look at those plastics on this side. On the side of the tank and the plastics on the front. Get a look at the handguards on this side. Let's get a good look over this engine. Let's move round and finish off up at the front, on the right hand side of this wheel. And what we'll do is we will go up, have a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's get a look up at the controls. So we've got the front brake, which is adjustable on the reach, the throttle, stop, kill switch, and the starter, mode button, and your hazard warning lights. And on the other side you've got a menu button. This scrolls through the menus. You've got your lights, indicators and horn. So let's turn this on. It's a full LCD dash. Let's have a look. So the mileage is showing 5,053 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.